Hi Sagittarius, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to the last love bite of the month. And these are general collective readings. Sagittarius will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind. Take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Sagittarius and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. All right, Sagittarius, let's start your reading. Welcome back, all my subscribers. Thank you for being here again. And Sagittarius, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. All right, Sagittarius. Chariot, Temperance, Nine of Wands in reverse, King of Swords, Strength, center of my spread, Nine of Swords, Justice, Two of Cups, and the Devil in reverse. Bottom of my deck, I have the Knight of Wands. Can you imagine? Leo had the same card as their overall energy. So either somebody wants to take some quick action towards you, Sagittarius, or somebody is figuring out that, well, maybe somebody was being a bit immature here in this connection. Let's see. There is a bit of holding back from what I can see. And a feeling of the connection not working out at the moment. Let's see. I'm going to start with some dialogue message cards here, Sagittarius. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other. What that would be first, then we'll clarify the rest of the cards. So Sagittarius and their person spirit, if they could say something to each other, what would that be? Sagittarius and their person. Okay. Let's take a few from here, Sagittarius. And if any of you looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Oh, this one also wanted to come out. So let's take a couple more from here then. Sagittarius and their person. Okay, Sagittarius, good to go. Let's start your reading. The first card I have here says, I feel like I've been fighting for your life. For you, not only to stay alive, but for you to be your authentic self, to thrive. I want to see you embrace your dreams and fly free from everything that's been holding you back. You're all I think about, the past, the good times, our crazy passion, the drama, and how I want you now. Damn. I took an oath to God and you to stand by your side for eternity. I made a promise to find you in every lifetime, to take your hand in eternal spiritual marriage. Our union is sacred and divine. You are my muse, if you only knew how much you've inspired me. Darling, you are my masterpiece. I wish I could let go of fear to tell you and show you how much you inspire me. I get triggered when I'm angry or have decided to walk away from our connection, and then the universe decides to bombard me with your name, and your higher self stalks me with musical messages from you. I don't want to live without you in my life anymore. You're all I think about, and I'm haunted by your presence. I long to be with you. It really hurts me to have to keep my distance, but I just can't give you what you deserve at this time. I'm working through issues with my family. Do you think about me? All right, Sagittarius, these were some of your messages. If these were resonating, let's start with our angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you first as a blessing, guidance, advice, vision. The vision card is normally planning out and seeing what your future looks like, but my angel cards are always upright cards, but you saw the way it flipped and then it just went around. So I'm going to read it for the first time, I think, since I've been doing these readings in the reverse, somebody can't see their future. The vision is blurred at the moment. All right, so Spirit Chariot. What's this Chariot? Chariot and the Temperance. I think there's a lot of love between the two of you, Sagittarius. Maybe one person always wants to heal the connection, push it along, but that person is a bit of a narcissist. They kind of always create fights or play mind games, and I guess somebody is losing hope and healing from all this. This love has not been reciprocated from what I feel, and somebody is kind of healing from that, healing from the pain, wishing and hoping for a new beginning, wanting to go back, feeling what a waste of time, energy, effort. But Nine of Wands is in reverse right now. Somebody feels that, these problems are just petty arguments, petty fights. If only, we could stop going back and forth and drop this baggage and maybe have some kind of clear communication between the two of, both of you. This can work out. There is the need for two people to maybe communicate and talk about the future, the vision of the future. That's what Spirit was saying, and maybe bring it back into balance. But I still feel one person is holding back. One person wants to take action, the other person always holds back, and which stresses their partner out because they don't know. They don't know how to bring things back into balance, how to create justice, feeling totally heartbroken that a beautiful connection is in the reverse. Heartbroken because their person just will not, talk about the future. There's a lot of unhappiness, a lot of sleepless nights, a lot of overthinking, stressing out, wishing and hoping for justice and balance to be brought back into this connection, wanting commitment so badly, and wanting this passionate brand new beginning between the two of you. Then what happens, Spirit? But somebody refuses to talk about it. Somebody refuses. As much as one person wants this passionate new beginning, we have so much passion between us, can we talk about long term? They're left stressing out because their person will just not communicate. Justice, Spirit? Justice? Justice? As much as somebody wants things to be brought back into balance or this toxicity to be released, right now there is a lack of celebration, coming together, feeling, is it time for me to release this person? Is it even worth fighting for somebody who's so rude to me, so harsh with me? They just don't emotionally open up with me. Is it even worth fighting for this connection anymore? Or is this a, soulmate connection which is now ending? What's the Devil in reverse, Spirit? Devil in reverse. Things have become stagnant, I think, between the two of you. But there is a return. There is a return. Most probably there is a return here, Sagittarius. Somebody wants to rebuild now. Oh, wow. This could turn out better than expected, Sagittarius. I do have an Emperor upright with the Queen of Pentacles. Somebody wants to rebuild here. Let's rebuild this connection. They want to go back to their partner or have their partner come back to them. Who is this, Spirit? Will this... Ten of Cups? Wow. Ah, now I get it. Now I get it. I think the way this person is going to be coming back is if they are released. They are released, and the other person who wants this connection becomes single, looking good, feeling good, and the minute this person will sense any kind of competition around their person who they didn't want in the first place, right? They were not offering commitment, is when this person may return to take back what belongs to them and end up offering long-term commitment and lead to happiness. A return is possible, but I think this connection will have to totally end first. Released, ended. Knight of Wands spirit. Overall energy. Oh yes, emotionally manipulative person. They have to be locked up, I think, to think. This person has to be let go of. This person is emotionally very manipulative, always getting what they want, never offering any new beginning. So what Spirit is saying, I think they have to be put into a little bit of seclusion. They have to be absolutely let go of. Let them fear that this chapter has ended. There is a possibility in the future if the other person can then pick themselves up and become confident and single and start taking care of themselves. This person is most 99% from what I feel is going to return and claim what they never wanted in the first place. Only because they're going to be feeling this competition now and I'm losing my person. Okay, so this has to be long-term planning, Spirit says. Right now, release this connection because as the way it is, it's not going anywhere. It's only becoming more and more toxic as the days are going by. Okay, so that's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste.